So hey guys, welcome back. So we are actually to the end of the tutorial and we are near to reach to complete the project. So in this video we will finding the similar movies to the Star Wars that have the best ratings. This is the actual algorithm, not I can say the actual but the nearest and the bestest actual algorithm you can learn for making the recommendation system for your project. So here we begin to the last and the foremost important video you can use for your university project or for some fun project. I cannot find correlation with the Star Wars. Why can't I find? Again, the Star Wars was not any movie, so don't focus on that. Star Wars, Star War was the movie. Again, I'm performing the join function. You know join. What is join? It is used in SQL Server. Wait, why I can't speak rating? Num of rating. So basically, we are filtering according to the rating. So we need the maximum rating for that. Then again, the most important part is Star Wars. Should be greater than 100 because we like the quality of the movie. And again sorted according to the correlation value. So how we do that is sort according to value, and for what correlation, and again we have to write same ascending equals to false, and most important select it. And now here is the output for the program. Let's just check what is showing. It should no, it is saying some error. Data frame object has no attribute. Star Wars, yes, it is a Star Wars, and for what it is saying that it is not having. Let's just check it. PD frame. So we have done this thing wrong. We have performed the join wrong. Sorry, I don't care if my battery is down. So you can see the output. Here are the movies that are recommended by our algorithm. Can you say this? Isn't it amazing? Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope this tutorial will help you for your project and any other thing which you develop. Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel, please.